A normal day at Kuwait International Airport suddenly turned into chaos. Flights were operating, passengers were moving through terminals, and ground staff they were going about their routine. Well, that is when something changed in an instant. A drone strike hit the airport, and within moment, a massive fire broke out. Welcome to Times XP's War Report with me, Dhriti Athri, and what followed? It was dramatic, it was intense. Thick black smoke began rising into the sky. Visible from far, far away, flames spread quickly across parts of the airport, creating panic, creating a lot of urgency here. In fact, early reports suggest that fuel storage areas they were targeted, one of the most dangerous zones in any airport. And when fuel ignites, the fire becomes harder to control and far more destructive, right? Emergency response team reacted immediately. Firefighters they rushed to the scenes, sirens echoing across the airport. Well, military personnel quickly secure the area, trying to prevent further damage or any additional threat here. The focus that was clear: contain the fire, avoid a larger disaster. In the meantime, crews worked continuously, battling flames that were growing stronger with every passing minute. Well, thankfully, so far there has been no confirmed casualty yet, which comes as a major relief. However, the material damage that's significant. Parts of the airport infrastructure have been heavily affected and operations have been disrupted. The impact is already being felt, though, both locally and across flight networks that are connected to that region. But wait, this incident, it's not just about one airport. The strike is being linked to Iran, and if confirmed, it marks a serious escalation in the Middle East tension. Targeting a major international airport, it's not just tactical move, it sends a strong and alarming message. The use of a drone also highlights a growing shift in modern warfare, right? Drones are smaller, they are faster, they are harder to detect, yet they are capable of causing significant damage. And this raises some serious concern about the vulnerability of the whole critical infrastructure, even in highly secured location. Airports, they are essential hubs, connecting countries, transporting people, supporting economies as well. An attack on such a location, it goes far beyond the immediate destruction. It creates fear, it creates uncertainty, it creates global concern about safety and preparedness. Right now, the situation remains active. Firefighters are still working to control any remaining flames, while the military and security teams they stay on high alert. Investigations are ongoing just to determine how the attack was carried out and the full extent of the damage. Well, one thing is definitely clear. While the fire at the airport may eventually be brought under control, but the tension behind this attack, it continues to rise, adding an already volatile situation in the region.